That's cool.
Oh yeah.
All right, the area is leaving us. We are on the trail to Mt Kineo. Yep. We'll meet area back down at the bottom. We'll see how smart this turns out to be. I was like, where'd the trail go?
You don't want to fall down that hill. You ain't stopping until you hit the bottom.
Look at that.
Yeah.
I'd like to climb up there. I don't think that would be fun.
There, and then going up. Anything with that?
That's cool.
Oh yeah. That's the time we have before you take a step. You find a good spot to put your stick. It's the best one.
Morning. Okay, so things have leveled out just a little bit. I think that's where we're going.
Yeah. That's not that far anymore.
There's the runways at Peterson.
Okay.
Oh, we're out of the sun. That's nice.
Oh yeah, for now.
Well, yeah. I think we found ourselves a spot to... All right.
There's one of the rivers again. The creeks.
And the little trees are waving at your mom. Hi, area. Hi, area.
Oh yeah.
The price for admission to this is steep, but this is great.
Oh yeah. Yeah. Captain Jack's area trail system. So we just went up
Look down a little bit.
this right there because that was Cheyenne Creek that we crossed and went up.
Oh, okay.
So we're right here. So if we go this way up 667, it'll take us to the top.
And there's other ones that we can take down then.
You can take 667 all the way down too.
What's that?
666 into Bear Creek Canyon Park. And that's following Bear
but
Creek.
this is
This is where Mom
Seven
is.
Bridges.
Yeah. There's Helen Hunt Falls right there. So if we take 667, Mom will just have to drive to North Cheyenne Canyon Park. Or we could take 667 to 776 back to Gold Camp.
This looks shorter.
It does. Wow, look at that.
And we're continuing to round the peak. You called this the Round the Peak Trail?
Yep.
Okay. 667, right? Or 677?
667.
Okay. Now, initially, we were going to go up there. We couldn't really figure out how to get up there. So we thought, hey, let's just go on a different trail. We did the scaling the side of the mountain. So now we're going to go on a probably slightly longer, but definitely, I think this looks a lot easier.
Oh yeah.
Around the, I wouldn't even say backside, the opposite side. We're on the north, and then going over to the east side of Mt Kineo, and we're gonna kind of parallel that access trail that we took to Seven Bridges Trailhead. And I think the map said that it was going to go beyond the parking lot, and then we're going to get on a high road and then have to walk back to the parking lot. From that parking lot, depending on if we can get in touch with your mom or not, we may have to walk all the way down to that Helen Hunt on the pavement. But that's not too far in the big scheme of things.
There's a trailhead 776 that we'll hit before we hit the pavement.
Oh, okay.
Which takes us back to the, I think the top of the Seven Bridges. Or somewhere thereabouts.
All right, so we'll just see where we end up on this set of trails. Bottom line, we're putting in some good steps today, huh?
Yep.
Oh, look at that view. Ooh, look at those flowers.
Oh yeah.
then we'd go. But had we not tried, we wouldn't have gotten way up here. This is awesome.
Because I think that way right there is up. Oh yeah, there's that the runoff over here.
Yeah.
What is that? I don't even know anymore.
Well, let's see where it goes.
I think this is that first corner. And
It'd be interesting to see what we think of this trail if we were walking up. You know what I mean?
yeah.
But I sure like it going down. You know, the crazy thing is that the trail that we took up is probably just below us.
Oh yeah. So this is that big.
Yeah, when we were looking and going, wow, look at that.
Oh yeah.
Oh, I see the other trail down there now.
Yep.
It cuts up. Wow, we are up an incredibly high ways.
Oh yeah. We got quick back.
Well, let's see if we can see the trail. So we were, oh, I can see somebody hiking down there. They just, okay, you see the big chute? Okay,
Yeah.
look just to the right. 5:30, and you might be able to see some white hats running through there. Yep, it's just showed again.
Okay.
See this gnarl right here where it goes like
Yep.
that? Straight up. Very cool. All right, so can we just go down? No, the boy says, let's go up this mountain. Okay, that's what dads do. They let their little boys go places.
Give it time to read.
We have seen where we came from. And look, Garden of the Gods.
Oh yeah. The wildfire touched all the way up here.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, these little mossy evergreens.
Here's your campfire.
Nice flat camping area.
So we started Seven Bridges Trailhead right down here, and I think that's the trail, where it went. And then we snaked around up there, all the way around Mt Kineo. That's what we were trying to go up, and then come back down. We ended up going all the way around, down through the trails, and then up here. We need to get way back down there. So
Our trailhead is that way. Our trailhead is that way.